Hey guys, OT Sports Cards here with Totally Certified Double Box Break number 169. Last team, actually the last team wasn't the Jets. Give me a second. Last team to end was actually Columbus. Just because their name takes up all the characters in the title. Alright, last team was Columbus. Ended February 20th, 2014. Serial number 1905 69750 and 1908 79463. Alright, numbers on the boxes. This one's hard to see. 0569750 and 79463. Alright, let's bust them. Good luck to everyone. I would like to see one of those HRX cards. Alright, pack number 1. Brian Flynn rookie for the Buffalo Sabres. And for the Washington Capitals, Tom Wilson, rookie auto jersey. See, David Perron gold or mirror red. OT Sports Cards. Actually, I'm in the middle of a video right now. Can you give me a call back in like 5 minutes? Alright, perfect. Thanks. Bye. Sorry about that, guys. David Perron, mirror red, numbered 16 out of 25 for the Oilers. And then we got another, I think this is the Platinum Gold, Johan Larsson rookie. Is that out of 6 out of 25 for the Sabres. And another hit, Timmy Thomas, red jersey for the Florida Panthers. 3-hit pack. Pretty nice. Sasha Barkov rookie for the Panthers. And a clear cloth for the Hurricanes, Ronnie Francis. I was going to say franchise. But number 33 out of 100. Okay, we got David Legwand, red, numbered out of 100, with some damage on the bottom edge. Frederick Anderson rookie for the Ducks. And a social signatures for the Leafs. Nice one, Jake Gardiner. Box number 2. Man, lots of hits in this stuff. Hampus Lindholm rookie for the Ducks. And back-to-back Duck hits. Jonas Hiller red jersey. Got a Platinum Blue of Dennis Wideman, numbered 7 out of 50 for the Flames. Ground 1 rookie for the Wild. And, man, lots of hits in this one. Boone Jenner, signatures for the Blue Jackets. And another damage card. Max Pacioretty, clear cloth, numbered 56 out of 100 for the Canadians. There's some damage on this edge. Just show Panini the link to the video. They should be able to help you out. Edward Pasquale rookie for the Jets. And Brock Nelson, rookie jersey auto for the Islanders. Last pack. Nice, Scott Laughton, Emerald Auto, numbered 1/5 for the Flyers. Boy, we pulled a Scott Laughton Shield the other day, and now an Emerald out of 5. Pretty nice. And Ristolainen rookie for the Sabres. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.